Google has been working on a light version of the Pixel 3 XL, and while we have heard a bunch of rumors about the phone so far, Google has now accidentally confirmed a new Pixel device named the Pixel 3 on its website. While Google has taken down the information page from its online store down, right after realizing what had happened, the media publications did notice it. The page did not reveal specification of the device but did have a link to the Pixel 3a's case that reveals it would be made of fabric. Google is also likely going to bundle the Pixel Buds and a case with the Pixel 3a once it is launched, perhaps an introductory offer. The phone was listed as Pixel 2019 Media Experience, suggesting we wouldn't have to wait until Google's traditional October launch window for this phone to arrive. In fact, Google could even decide to I/O Developer Conference in May, the report said. As per a report by GSM Arena, the name Pixel 3 XL has also previously appeared in Android Q's beta code, which is how we know. Moreover, some specifications of the Google Pixel 3a and the Pixel 3a XL have been spotted on the Google Play Developer Console alongside the words Pixel 2019 Media Experience. Additionally, both the smartphones have reportedly received the IMDA specification in Singapore, which suggests that their launch is imminent.